Hold on.
Hello, students in Miss Winter's class. My name is Barry, and particularly hello to Malachi Edwards. Malachi and I were reading together, and we were reading a Dogman book before the school was ended. I hope you have done well on your learning while you have been learning online, and are looking forward to third grade class. This is a short story from the Dogman book. Dogman was the best cop of the world. We love you, Dogman. But he had one weakness. Hey, Dogman, quit eating out of the garbage can. And quit rolling in that dead fish. And quit sniffing that other dog. Dogman was awesome, but he sure was stinky. P.U. You need a bath, Dogman. Ow, says Dogman. How come he ran away? Don't you know? All dogs hate baths. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here, Dogman. Here, Doggy Man. The cops searched the city, but they couldn't find Dogman anywhere. Soon the news reached Petey at the jail. Awesome! Dogman runs away because he hates baths. Now is my big chance. If I could only reach that window, I could escape jail. Hey, I got an idea, says Petey. Flush, he puts the newspaper down the toilet. The toilet got clogged and overflows. Hee hee, says Petey. The water rose higher and higher. Soon, Petey was at the window and he escapes, so I'm free. Petey went on a crime spree. Ha ha, he robbed banks. He stole jewels. He even hijacked cars. Stop, thief. But no cop could ever catch him. Gee, I sure wish Dogman would come back. Me too. Meanwhile, Dogman was hiding in an alley. Munch, munch from the trash can. But then he sees a newspaper. Petey runs amok. But where is Dogman? Dogman felt ashamed. He knew he must be brave. So Dogman returned bravely to save the day. Dogman searched for Petey. Soon he picked up a trail. It led straight to Petey's hideout. But it was a trap. Guess what? Petey's gonna give Dogman a bath. It's bath time, Dogman. Dogman got scared. Come and get it. He dug a hole to get away. Dogman dug and dug, but Petey followed him down the hole. Here I come. Dogman dug all the way under the zoo. He came up under the skunk cage. Shh, boo, the skunk squirted Petey. Excuse me, skunk squirted Dogman. Dogman liked Stinky, but stinky stuff from the skunks was too much. P.U., says Petey as Dogman runs to him. Let me out of here. Petey ran out of the hole, right into a cop net. Yay, we got him. You're going back to jail, Buster. Bath time for Dogman. Bath time for Dogman now. Look at, he's being scrubbed and dubbed. So Petey went back to cat jail. And Dogman learned his lesson. You smell great. Hooray for Dogman. Oops. There he goes, rolling on some fish bones. P.U. The end of the story. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.